So I'm back with Chocolate Faces. Coco is going to give me a facial hygiene routine. I cannot wait to share with you guys this routine. And the pimple that she popped, literally it was right here. You cannot even tell that it was there, and that had just happened like 5 days ago, and it's not even there. You can't even see it. So the service is great. So watch that last video with Chocolate Faces. It's lit. It's a makeup look. But today we doing a hygiene routine on the face. So stay tuned. It's super duper comfortable. I'm laid down. I'm relaxed. Feet up. And I just feel like I'm just in a nice comfy bed, just chilling, about to get a facial. So I really like that. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. About to get a facial, you know what I'm saying, But yeah, follow Chocolate Faces LLC on Instagram for more, and I'll link everything down below, the website, list, Instagram, and all the deets. Okay, so check that out, because you can also come here for a facial if you're in the area. So check the description box and see. Okay. And I appreciate everybody supporting the last video we created. Definitely go and watch that. I'll also link it below.
It's gonna be lit.
Nah, for real though.
I'm going all out.
Yes. Yes. Y'all, I love the wall. I love how it says you are loved. Like, you walk in here and you just feel appreciated. You got the sage, the candles. It says you are loved. And then it got life is beautiful. It got fun, laugh, blessings. Like, go ahead. Yes, dream, faith, smile, love is over there. It's everywhere. It's such good vibes in here, y'all. right, so Chocolate Faces just finished up my face. Shout out Coco. She did her thing. I love the steamer. I love the experience. This was literally the best facial I've ever had. It was a real facial. You guys saw it all. And definitely come to Chocolate Faces LLC at Chocolate Faces LLC on Instagram, chocolatefacesllc.com for products. And I'm feeling really good after this facial, y'all. But yeah, y'all, this was seriously the most relaxing facial ever. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely subscribe for more content. You will see Coco, you will see Chocolate Faces in more videos. Coco is the one doing all of the work. It is fantastic. So definitely follow on Instagram, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, you guys. Mwah.